Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock here that is giving us a good example for what to look for in terms of long-term potential resistance, and it is for EZPW. Now you can pick up any stock, but this is a good illustration, something we can watch in the coming weeks to see whether the market is telling us the truth here. So I'll draw two lines, and the first line goes back to the break. You can even start this break here. This was a decisive break off the highs of 98, and remember, this is all data monthly. So what we're gonna do is draw a line from there. Should be something like that. Now, one thing you might not notice right off the bat is that this line so happens to be slightly below 61.8. And what we see here is that throughout the stock's trading history, in periods where the RSI was above 61.8, you can see the stock had a chance and did respond nicely by moving higher during that period. Also, we had this stretch here where it was above 61.8 for this other good period in the stock's history. Now, one thing we can also see here is where the stock has had uniform activity rejection. For example, here it tried to go above the red line or above 61.8, was rejected with uniform action for the highs here in the 30s. And you can see right now what I'm getting at here is we are coming back to test this level in October 2016. Looks like as long as that is resistance level on the monthly RSI, one can expect that the next meaningful direction for the stock is lower, especially given that the stock has had a nice run over the last couple of months, moving from about 250 to the highs here, let's call it in the $11-12 area. So looks like as long as we are seeing resistance on this line, one can expect a major pullback. I promised to share with you two lines. Here is the second line. It goes back to the RSI lows here in late 2000, touches this support level here in early 99, and then just extend it out. And you can see that the market is coming back to back test the same level. So what was a break point here during this drop has now come and is being back tested. Chances are, given that we have the red line showing support and the blue line showing back test, in other words, above the blue line, and it might have a chance of moving higher, but already we are seeing the stock respond to this because we are down about 3 to 4% already in this month, already confirming that this is a resistance level. Now let's watch this as a live example to see whether the more we see resistance, whether we are going to get a huge correction, maybe to the tune of 38.2% of this move, maybe even 50%, and especially if the general market is not healthy, we might get as much as a 61.8 correction from the lows here of 250 to the highs here of about 1150. We shall see. Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Blessings. Mwah.